Welcome to Module 1. This is where we start to put things in place so that a course can shape itself. Up until now, you have been settling into the process, getting a feel for how we will work. In this module, we'll begin to gently focus your thinking so that what once felt uncertain starts to become clear, steady, and usable. The purpose of this module is simple. By the end of it, you will understand what an online course really is, not just as an idea, but as something practical, something you can build, structure, and deliver with confidence. In the first lesson, we begin by grounding everything that we're going to do. You will start to see what the course is truly about. You will start to see what this course is truly about, why it matters, and how you will use it to create something of your own. Not with expensive tools or complicated systems, but with simple steps, free tools, and a structure that carries you forward even when you are unsure. So instead of guessing, you begin to follow a structured path. In the second lesson, we shift your perspective slightly. You will be introduced to the idea of hybrid course, or what it means in practical terms, and what is expected from you as a facilitator in this space. You may begin to notice that you already bring more to this than you first realized. Skills, awareness, experience. Things that have been there all along now finding a new place to be used. And that can be quite reassuring. Then in the third lesson, we bring in something that quietly shapes everything that follows. Clarity. You're going to understand why outcomes matter, how they guide the learning process, and how they influence the way people engage, respond, and ultimately succeed. It's a small shift in thinking, but one that changes the quality of everything that you create. So as you move through this module, allow yourself to stay open. You're not expected to master anything yet. I just simply want you to see. And once you see clearly, building becomes a very different experience. So take your time with this. Because here, you are not just learning about online courses. You are reshaping how you think about creating them. I'll see you in the first lesson.